Hi, that's Nivedita.
And that's Nivedita's husband Nandan. Watch us exclusively at #CoupleGoalsUnfiltered. So today we are playing the compatibility test. Nandan, do you want to go?
After 15 years, now compatibility test is a little challenging. What's the most bizarre thing you've ever bought back from a trip?
Should I say the dead butterflies we got from Cambodia?
Yes.
Very bizarre, no? We
Yes.
went to this butterfly world and we found the butterflies so beautiful. And then I told Nandan, I wish I had butterflies in my house. So he found 2 dead butterflies, got them framed and gifted it to me. So we did bring back dead butterflies. What's the weirdest construction story you've got?
We have a very busy day on site usually. When Nivedita visits me on site for only work related stuff, it can get very heated. And then cooling her off will be the actual task for site.
And it's always the same thing. Where do you want to go for lunch, maybe?
If you could redesign me, what would you change first? No, I don't want to know the answer.
Good question. Maybe give you a 6-pack?
Not happening.
Have you ever pretended to like any decision just to avoid an argument?
Many times.
I know the answer to this.
What's harder, designing for a client or designing for me? I know the answer.
Designing for him.
Do you ever buy decor just because it's cute, but no clue where it goes?
Many times. In fact,
No.
when you sent me to Delhi to do the clubhouse, what did I do? I randomly picked up everything that I liked and I said, and then he told me, if you pick excess, that doesn't come into this house. Do you remember?
That will come out of her budget rather than the project budget. So, I want to know this. When was the moment you knew I was the one?
Pretty much when you knew that I was the one, I think it was very mutual. We
Yeah.
knew. If you could relive one day with me, which one would it be?
I wouldn't say one day, but trip to 8-hour drive to Araku. What's one thing about us you would never want to change?
The way we chat and talk every day openly, unfiltered.
Yeah, we are actually the
Unfiltered. How many times in a day do you feel, I'm so lucky to have him?
Want a cinematic answer? I would say every moment. I probably wouldn't think of it on a daily basis. When do you miss me the most? Even when I am just in the other room. Adils.
I can't sleep alone. I can't sleep in dark.
రోజు తను ఏదో రూమ్ లో పని చేసుకుంటుందని చెప్పి నాకు బాగా నిద్ర వస్తుంది, కింద రూమ్ లో పడుకుందాం అని వచ్చాను. నెక్స్ట్ 2 days టార్చర్. So what was one special thing that you did for us on our anniversary?
You seriously don't remember, Nandan?
I remember.
10th anniversary. Yeah.
Want to show them?
Good. Okay.
It's a book of our journey.
10 years of us.
This is the 10-year journey of us.
Every memory, every fight, all the travels that we've done.
Thank you.
This is us.
So moving on to the next segment, this is called How Well Do You Know Each Other? Who is better at bargaining while shopping abroad? Who notices architectural details first while traveling? Who is more likely to come back from a trip with a suitcase full of souvenirs?
Right now, me.
Yeah. Last trip he. Before trips me.
Who starts a random deep conversation on a Sunday afternoon?
Avuna? Avva?
What?
Both.
Who gives better surprise gifts? Who is more protective? Who starts laughing mid-argument and ruins the whole angry mood?
I would love she does that.
Oh, they are 2 different answers.
Okay, we'll arrive at one.
Yeah.
Who spends more? Who is more talkative?
No doubt.
Super compatible answers. The next segment is the love scoreboard.
అన్ని మంచి మార్కులు ఇచ్చాను నీకు.
So, what have you guys rated each other for humor?
7
He's an annoying 8 because
Yeah.
he thinks he's really humorous.
I have a very dark sense of humor.
Yeah, very
right?
dark
So,
sense of humor, but
It will be very annoying.
every time he jokes.
Only he
Hmm.
loves.
Only he laughs.
Well, my friends laugh.
Romance?
I give her an 8.
I gave you 10.
Because I'm better.
Okay.
Communication?
Give her a 10. కోపం వస్తే అసలు దాసుకోదు.
I gave him a 9 for the one na cock వచ్చిన 1% తీసేస్తే.
Patience?
Give her an 8. నాకెంత ఇచ్చావు? 3 అంతేలే.
You have zero patience. He doesn't have patience for any argument.
I can't have a conversation anything that lasts more than 5 minutes.
He can't.
Honesty?
10.
Honesty 10.
As a partner?
10.
I got more Nandan.
You?
And as a parent?
Parent, I give her 10.
I gave him a 5+.
హలో మొన్న లాస్ట్ 2 weeks మార్నింగ్ 5:30 ఏమంటావు?
Not to Rahul. First.
యాజ్ అ పేరెంట్ యూగా అలా అయితే 0 ఇవ్వాలి నేను.
Do you parent me more or Rahul more?
నిన్నే.
See?
Could you write a small message for your partner?
See you tonight.
Never change.
The last and final segment, it's called the 3-second challenge. Name 3 countries you both want to visit.
Red.
Red.
She said it all.
Okay.
ఇప్పుడు చెప్పు ఆన్సర్.
Finland.
ఓకే ఫాస్ట్.
Japan. What? No. We
Allah.
planned Japan.
జపాన్.
No.
ఆఫ్రికా కెన్యా మర్చిపో.
Yeah, Kenya.
First place you traveled together.
రెడ్.
Hi.
న్యూజిలాండ్.
Who said I love you first?
Red.
చెప్పు నాకు గుర్తురాట్లేదు.
He.
ఓకే.
One item in your home that means the most to both of you.
రెడ్. బిగ్గెస్ట్ ఐటమ్ ఇస్ మై సన్ రాహుల్.
I agree. I thought he will say.
ఐటమ్ పీస్.
Favorite meal you have had together and where was it?
Red.
ఓకే.
There are 2. Pizza and Kamath biryani.
First disagreement you had.
డిసగ్రీమెంట్.
Red. You didn't wear the shirt that I got you, so I kicked you out of your car on your birthday. Remember?
గుర్తులేదు.
To park.
అయ్యి ఉండొచ్చు వెరీ మచ్ పాసిబుల్ బట్ నేను గుర్తుంచుకోను కాబట్టి మాకు అది ఏమీ ఉండవు. అది కొన్ని గుర్తుండకపోతేనే బెటర్గా ఉంటుంది. టు నో మోర్ అబౌట్ us,
Grab the latest 15th anniversary special edition.